Hey guys, this is Joric and welcome back to my channel. And today's episode is gagala tayo. So we're on the way to Samal Island, dito pa rin sa Davao City. So we're going to check in sa Club Samal. So it's my first time to visit Club Samal after how many years they're open. So I'm with the boss. The boss. So kasama ko si boss. We'll have a one night accommodation doon. Uwi din kami bukas. So let's see what will happen. Pero guys, just a heads up, meron po akong work mamaya. So what will happen is during 6 PM I'll be on shift while lalakad-lakad tayo. So let's go and hit the intro. We're here in Club Samal, guys. So it's around married na po. Just enough time for check-in, 12 noon, and we're now doing some check-in forms. Yeah. Health declaration, check-in information, and meal reservation. So yeah, let's just fill it up and then check-in tayo sa room in a few moments. So we're done with all the forms. Check-in time. So we're taking now our lunch with boss. So lunch muna kami before check-in kasi check-in is 2 PM and while we're waiting for our room. Let's go. Just a preview, guys. Here's the price list ng kanilang lunch. So ito. Pricey siya. Pero laban lang. So we have now our lunch. So we have chicken chop suey, and then we have chicken adobo. So isa-isa lang po kami ng rice with a bottle of juice, a glass of juice pala, hindi pala butter. Oh yeah. Sige, kain muna kami. Let's go. We are done with our meal. So, uy. Ubos po. Marami po kaming gutom. So, we're just waiting for our check-in time at around 2 PM. So, our time is almost 2 PM. So, chika-chika muna kami dito ni boss. And the view. We are now heading to our room, finally. Check in proper. Let's do our room tour. Let's go. Yun sa boss. Sama niya yung attendant na mag-a-assist sa amin. Hey Okay guys, so we're here now in Club Samal and we're going to do a room tour. So let's go. And we are now in room 215. So we have a card here to open the room. Wait. Okay, that's it. Go to the side. Ayan. Lights are open, so come in. So first thing that we'll need to visit and check is the bathroom. So in the bathroom, we have shampoo, ointment, and some special thing, towels, and a free toothbrush, and a comb. Wow, may tatakbo siya. Club Samal. And also the toothbrush. It's very aesthetics, pinantindigan nila. And about the towels guys, I really love the towels kasi meron din siyang Club Samal. And of course, we have a shower and beautiful lavatory and toilet. Next, we need to check the bed. Ah! So comfortable. Yes guys, so this is good for two. And in front of the bed is we have a cabinet. So inside the cabinet is a safety lock and a free slippers. Hangers for your dress. And then we have here a big TV. And for balik kayo, meron kayong towels. Pero dito pwede siyang i-take out guys. Huwag kayong maglakaw ng towels. And we have here safety kits, alcohol, sanitizers, and face masks. Very much for that. Another cut. And then we have also free, I think it's free, right? Coffee mate and coffee. This one green tea. And then inside is a mini refrigerator. What's inside? Wala po naman. And the final part is this veranda. So the veranda, we have here some seats here. You can stay. And then the view. Beautiful view. Okay guys, so that's it guys. So we're just going to enjoy now the beach. See you later. Hey guys, hello again. So it's 5 in the afternoon na. So, andun si boss. So we're just going to take some shots or picture muna before we'll take our dinner dito sa my pool. So let's go. Picture moment. Welcome to Club Samal. It's the view. For the blessing. So galit po tayo ngayon sa blue. galit sa blue. Outfit na outfit po nga.
Wow!
So andun si boss. So we're just taking our relaxation mode. Medyo, yeah, enjoying the view. So we have now our dinner. So we have pinakbet and some soup and juice. And of course, syempre talented tayo. We are still working. Let's go, boss. Yo, what's up guys? So we're here now in the poolside area kung saan kami lumipat after namin nag-dinner. So ayun si boss. Ayun, lumalangoy while I'm currently working. Sarap maligo guys, but we need to work kasi di na-approve yung leave natin. So, work muna. Bukas na ako ng umaga maliligo with him. And enjoy muna tayo sa ating background. Super lamig dito guys. Sobrang nakaka-relax pero medyo pricey lang. But still, it's very worth it. The accommodation, the service, the food, and everything. Very worth it. So, back to work. And we are back in our room guys. So, since umulan, biglang umulan sa labas and we're back inside our room. So, here's our workstation. And I'm currently on break. Si boss andun sa loob. Nag-shower kasi galing nag-swimming. So, ayun. Let's continue working guys para sa ekonomiya. Let's go! Okay, so patapos na yung break natin and let's have our water break. Water break from Aquaflash. This is not sponsored. Ganda na guys. True. Blue. Galit sa blue. Work. What's up? So, I'm done with my work. So, patatapos lang. na, patatapos ko lang mag-work. So, it's currently around 3 a.m. and umuulan sa labas gabi. Lamig dito guys. And si boss is nagpapainit ng tubig. Kagigising lang din ni boss. So, in a few minutes, matutulog na kami. So, yeah. And, susulitin namin yung few hours mamaya pag umaraw. Let's go. Sobrang lamig. Yo. So, we're here outside sa Club Samal. It's a beach area, beachfront. So, yung trip namin tonight, this early morning is mag-picture dito sa shore. Kasi syempre, kinulang kami ng oras. Kasi nag-shooting nga. So, taking pictures, night mode. So, I'm going to show you some of my pictures that we take na kinunan ni boss. So, yeah. Sobrang lamig talaga guys. Time to sleep guys. Good morning, good night, Dabawenyos.